First up this evening, the chaos on the Mandela Highway is creating more frustration for motorists as the state of public emergency in the St. Catherine North Division compounds the snail's pace at which traffic moves due to the road improvement project.
And with motorists now using the new section of the road, the delays are more pronounced because there are no laybys to pull over in the event a vehicle breaks down.
TVJ's Kalisha Williams was on the road earlier today observing the situation and now joins us in studio with what she saw. Kalisha?
Thank you, Archie and Doreen. For some time now, work has been underway to expand the heavily trafficked section of the Mandela Highway. But while the objective of the National Works Agency and other stakeholders is to reduce congestion, it has been causing nothing but headaches for motorists. And this morning's crash only worsened the situation. Take a look. Gridlock on Thursday morning, a part of regular frustration for motorists during peak hours in recent times. The delays are largely caused by the construction work to improve the Mandela Highway. But it is getting worse because of spot checks by members of the security forces operating under the current state of public emergency in the St. Catherine North Police Division. When vehicles break down or if there is an accident, as occurred on Thursday morning, the delays are even longer because there are no laybys to pull over.
Why me come in and when I reach down there, so one car man come over for me. So I take away from him now and the wheel touch one of this. The front wheel touch one of this and blow out.
The domino effect is traffic extending from Ferry in St. Catherine to as far as Central Village.
If you notice how some of them in and some out, them project the thing and some not straight.
Before the team actually got there, somebody else might have hit that same barrier. I'm not sure what the situation is, but I do know that we have had to we have had to be very vigilant in fixing these barriers in the original position because of persons knocking them.
Communication and Customer Services Manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, says the traffic nightmare now being experienced by motorists is temporary.
We only had enough space to accommodate the 4 lanes of traffic with a temporary median separating the east flow from the west flow. We did not have, or we do not have, space there for persons to pull off.
He is assuring motorists that things will improve in a matter of months when the Mandela Highway is improved with more lanes.
We didn't just happen to come to this place, meaning persons are driving on a nice bit of road for 3.4 kilometers. It took some time. It took a lot of patience. And we are saying to the motoring public, we're asking them, just be a little bit more patient.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.